What are you shooting today, Chris?
Hoyt Horizon riser, the ILF Black Max carbon limbs. They're only 45 pounds, and they're rated at 45 pounds on the TradTech risers, which are shorter than the Olympic risers. This is an Olympic riser. So as they're longer, the poundage decreases. So this might actually be less than 45 pounds by a few pounds. But it's still shooting around 200 feet per second. So that really goes to show you don't need massively heavy limbs to get massive speed. As you can see.
Nice choice.
No silencers though, so you do get that twang. Show you my deluxe custom rest here.
Felt chair
pads. I took one, cut it in half, and then put cut angles on them.
Excellent.
That's high tech, baby. Good stuff. But seriously though, they're incredibly practical. And I've never had one fall off. But just in case, you know, I got spares right there.
Master Christopher Billingsgate. Can you tell us a little about your ensemble today?
What's an ensemble? So like clothes?
Yes, your outfit,
Oh.
your attire.
This is a deep sea kayaking suit. It's got the rubber cuff things around your ankles, which I cut out. They're old and rotten, and here and on the neck. So if you actually capsize out at sea, you stay dry. So it's called a dry suit. But it's a retired dry suit because the rubber gaskets dry rot over the years. So I said, well, if we're gonna be shooting out in rain, maybe I'll just cut the gaskets out. I don't know if you can see or not what's left of the gaskets. But it still works as wonderful rain gear. You just wear thermal underwear underneath, and you're pretty good to dry all day. So it works great. Look at that. Zoom in on that one. That doesn't happen all that often.
So as you can see here, the master chose a different target so that he wouldn't split his nocks.
Today, I'm using my Hungarian flip tab. There, that's a joke. I know there's been different variations around this, and I think the Gray Archer kind of more or less made them famous in his version. So my version, I don't use the middle finger loop, so I can flop. So I can use my free hand that way as opposed to sliding it over the back of my hand like the versions that have the ring loop for your middle finger. I just prefer to put it on like a hinge like that, so I can just... But the purpose of that is, this is my nylon one, not my leather one. Since it's pouring rain, I consider this more my rain gear version. When we get to the river, I'm dunking an arrow in the river.
Oh, okay.
And it's shooting a bullseye.
We're talking about wet fletchings. How you can dry them. Spec they have on trajectory. 80-yard shot.
He hits the bag, I'll take it. Wow!
I hit it.
Did you?
Yep. You have to take a shot.
I think he might be lying. I don't know. I won't even whip my feathers dry. I'm gonna leave them wet. Okay. Notice I still don't use a knocking point. Inside joke. Flap!
Wait, I'm gonna try it again. Okay, draw your arrow first.
Oh!
2 times! You again!
That one was like in the middle of the bag. Were you trying to hit the middle of the bag? Well, these feathers are really soaked. Look at how soaked those are.
Good shot! Missed and ricocheted. Let's go get him.
Call the St. Bernard.
You're on.
You're on. I better keep my mouth shut. Just about a bullseye there.
So there you go, folks.
I got the mole. I was aiming at a mole here.
I want you all to know that that was pure luck.